Get ready to go back in time. Today we're making a very groovy lava lamp with things you can find around the house. First, take your water and add a few drops of food coloring. You can stick with one color or mix up a few different ones if you like. Now set that aside and fill a tall glass about halfway with vegetable oil. Slowly pour your colored water into the oil and watch what happens. Water is more dense than oil, which means it's heavier, so it sinks to the bottom. Now for the fun part. Crush up an Alka-Seltzer tablet and drop the pieces into the glass. When the tablet hits the water, it makes a gas called carbon dioxide. The gas produces bubbles which are very light, so they float upward and carry little bits of colored water with them. When the bubbles reach the top, they pop and the water becomes heavy again. Then it sinks back down. That rising and falling is what gives it the lava lamp look. When the Alka-Seltzer has used up all its bubbles, you can drop in another little piece to start it up again a few more times. Nice work! You just used density, gas, and a little curiosity to make your own lava lamp. If you like this experiment, subscribe to the Time for Learning YouTube channel for more fun science you can try at home.